When black holes swallow down massive amounts of matter from space around them, they are not exactly subtle about it. They belch out notable flares of X-rays generated by means of the material heating to intense temperatures as it's sucked in the direction of the black hole, so vivid that we can detect them from Earth. This is regular black hole behavior. What ain't always regular is for the one X-ray flares to spew forth with clockwork regularity, a confusing behavior reported last year from a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy 250 million light years away. Every 9 hours, boom, X-rays flare. In this video, we will talk about something pretty rare, a star that survived being swallowed by a black hole. It was a dead star that endured its brush with a black hole, trapped on a 9-hour elliptical orbit around it. Every nearby pass and the black hole slops up more of the star's material. At its closest approach, approximately 15 times the radius of black hole's event horizon, gas is pulled off the star into an accretion disk around the black hole, releasing X-rays. The black hole is the nucleus of a galaxy referred to as GSM 069, and it is pretty lightweight as far as supermassive black holes go. Only 400,000 times the mass of the Sun. Even so, it is lively and surrounded by a hot disk of accretion material feeding into and growing the black hole. According to a model, this black hole was just hanging out, doing its active accretion thing, when a red giant star, the final evolutionary stages of a sun-like star, happened to wander a little too close. The black hole promptly divested the star of its outer layers, dashing its evolution right into a white dwarf. The dead core that remains once the star has exhausted its nuclear fuel. But rather than continuing on its adventure, the white dwarf was captured in orbit around the black hole and continued to feed into it. Based on these parameters, it's predicted that the star orbit wobbles slightly, like a spinning top losing speed. This wobble is out to repeat every 2 days or so, and we may even be able to come across it if we observe the system for long enough. This might be one mechanism whereby black holes grow increasingly big over time. But we will need to observe more such structures to confirm it, and they may not be easy to detect. For one, GSM 069's black hole is low mass, which means that a star can travel on a closer orbit. To survive a more huge black hole, a star would have to be on a much larger orbit, which means that any periodicity within the feeding might be simpler to overlook. And if the star were to stay too close, the black hole could destroy it. But the reality that one has been identified gives hope that it's not only such system out there. This event is most effective seen to our contemporary telescopes for a short time, about 2000 years. So unless we were extraordinarily lucky to have caught this one, there may be many more that we are missing elsewhere in the universe. As for the star's future, well, if nothing else is to alternate, the star will stay right where it is, orbiting the black hole and continuing to be slowly stripped for billions of years. This will motivate it to grow in size and reduce in density. White dwarfs are only a touch larger than Earth, until it is down to a planetary mass, perhaps even ultimately becoming a gas giant. That's for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Press a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative videos. Goodbye.